everyone! Today we are going to discuss about how to create a lesson plan and why you should create a lesson plan. So first is the why. Why should I create a lesson plan? You might think, oh, I have the TA. Yes, the TA is still your guide, but you need to also write it down, and we're going to talk about why. Number one, it helps you stay organized. When you have your steps, your teaching procedure written down, when you're in the classroom, you can refer to it and easily know where you are and what is next. Number two, you can update activities easily as needed. So maybe you do an activity in class and it didn't really go well. Well, you can look at your lesson plan and you can change this activity. Let's change it to a new one that will make more sense for my class. 3, it's helpful for substitute teachers to take over your class. Maybe you're going on vacation and you want your class to still stay on track for your lessons and you want your class to do well. Well, you can give your lesson plan to your substitute teacher and they can follow it and your class will still be on track. Good. And then manage your classroom more effectively, right? So it can help you stay on track and the time, everything will go very smoothly for your class. So let's look at some lesson plans to give you some tips and some examples. This is one that you can type up. You can write the book and the lesson here, and this is for BJ. So this side is all about the vocabulary section. We have our warm-up and PPC. Remember, presentation, practice, and check. So a key point here is to use abbreviations when needed. So for example, FLC equals flashcards, and SS can be students. This keeps your sentences brief and to the point, and you, as the teacher, know what it means. Good. Next, here's another one. So if you're going to be using the TA, you can draw a square with TA. So you know, oh yes, during this part right here, for presentation, I have to use the TA. So I remember to go to that. Great. Next here, do 1 to 2 points for a game or activity. So you don't want to type too much. It just should be very brief. So here for the first practice, I have 1, 2. This is for the practice. And then 3, 4. That is the next activity. Good. So next we want to keep sentences brief and direct, but don't forget the key points. So here, key point, we want to make sure this sentence is being spoken by the students. So I have that here. And I don't run on and type too much. So keep it brief and direct. Okay, so on this side is our grammar section. It's the same as the vocabulary. We have our presentation, practice, and use. So it follows the same format. Here we have 1 to 2 points for a game or activity. So for our practice, number 1 and number 2 is for one game or activity, and then number 3 is for the second one. Again, for use, it will be the same, 1 to 2 points per game or activity. Keep it brief. All right, so maybe you're more of a visual learner. You can do the lesson plan in this format. Again, we're following the same steps. We have our warm-up, PPC, PPU, 1 to 2 points per activity or important part. And you can use pictures because some people are more of a visual learner. So if that's more suited to you, here's another example, you can do it this way. So choose whatever works best. All right, so everybody, I hope you now know how to write a lesson plan and to know why it's important to do so. So everyone, have a good time writing those lesson plans. They will help you.